Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Coming to the stock market yesterday, we expected huge volatility, and that's exactly what happened. But of course, volatility with the consolidation. So that's exactly what kind of market opened at a lower side on a with the gap down, but from there it tried to go up, then up and down, and what not. We could see the entire day being volatile with a slightly positive bias, but then definitely the market did close slightly higher than the opening. But then, if you look at the Nifty right now, we could see the yesterday the major support actually came in from Titan, and on the lower side we could see the top drag being the Infosys and Axis Bank. So basically, we have seen the kind of market being cautious. Majorly, one thing, of course, today was going to be the monthly and yearly expiry. That is one thing on one side, and on another side, there is tension of China letting everything loose. And in fact, yesterday there was a report that in Italy, two flights that landed from China, on almost 40% people were infected with this virus. Now, of course, this is going to see some scare in the market when all the tension which is already prevailing in the market. The first one, the Russia war. Second one, the US inflation going up or interest rates going up. Globally, the markets are in a tough situation because of inflation and the interest rates going up. Apart from all this, now when China lets everything loose, it's only adding salt to the wound. So of course things are not looking good overall, but then this could be a temporary phase, like I've said. The global markets are kind of reacting because of all the different negative issues. There is no positive news. There is no other positive news to actually kind of give a support to the market. So with all these negativities around, definitely the markets are seeing a negative bias. If you see yesterday, Europe closed in the negative. US also market closed in negative. In fact, it was a slight green when it opened, but then by end of the day, we could see a lot of selling coming in. Apple was down by almost 3%, majorly because the supply chain of Apple is getting affected because of China. In fact, they say that the Foxconn plant in China has labor issues, shortage of labor, and they're not able to manufacture. In fact, the iPhone shipments have actually reduced by almost 10%. So these are all kind of things which is kind of giving negativity in the US as well. And definitely the tech stocks are in focus because they have been falling big. So with Apple, yet another heavyweight, which is actually falling down yesterday, we could see Nasdaq down by more than 1.5%. So overall, it was a totally negative day for Europe and US market. But if you look at Asian markets today, it is the same thing that's continuing. In fact, after the Asian markets opened this morning, they have been on a negative territory. In fact, SGX Nifty also actually started going downwards and is down by almost 80 points. So that means probably we could see a gap down opening again today, which could be very close to 18,000. So now, will it be a breakdown or will it be a day of consolidation is a question mark. But then definitely we are expecting a lot of volatility, and with this volatility, there can be chances that 18,000 is broken. But then it's very important to see how the market closes tomorrow, because today's is just a expiry related volatility that we could say. So major focus would be on the expiry today. Market is going to be definitely a lot of volatility in the market. But yesterday, the kind of consolidation that happened actually helped us book really good profit at the Gold Club and the Gold Plus Club. In fact, we've kind of reduced our positions and kind of, in the Gold Club, we've just exited all the positions, and Gold Plus would be exiting positions in the morning with some good profit and just living the day without any worry. So that's the plan for the day. So I'm expecting the Nifty to be trading between 17,800 and 18,200. So this would be a range where I expect the market to close. To be more tighter, I would say it would be 17,850 to 18,200. So that's the kind of range that I'm expecting, holding some trades, but I would be exiting all of them in the morning, just to avoid the volatility of the day. In fact, at good points we would be taking trade for the next week as well, and just stay away from the volatility and the scare in the market. So that's the point for now. Now for investors, what's with investors? So investors, this is going to be an opportunity again, like I told you. So it is time that I have started investing slowly from my fixed return deposits to equity. So this is the time I'm going on a stage by stage investment basis. So that is, of course, that we are already sharing in the community. If you're not a part of the community yet, do visit our website as mentioned in the scroll here, or WhatsApp on the number, and our team will help you join the community free of cost. So coming to the market, so let us we are expecting big volatility today. Let's see how the market ends, and it all depends on how Friday closes, that is tomorrow. That will decide the course for the next year. In fact, the next year trading starts from tomorrow. The market expiry is completing today. So tomorrow onwards, let us see how the market actually takes direction for the entire year. However, the markets are going to be cautious till February, as the budget is expected in the first week of February. So that's it for now. Let us see how the market reacts and we make money along with that. This is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a great day.